My price is fixed.
Hello and welcome to another video. Right now I'm in Krakow city in Poland. An hour ago when I was in the center of the city, I saw one shop who was selling the small music boxes. You know, when you rotate this toy, it creates some kind of music, and I like them. I'm going back again to that shop to buy. I hope I can make it this time. I'm here on the street. Look at this. These the horses coming on the street. Hello. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. How much is for the music box?
Box like this,
Uh-huh.
39.
Okay.
Or colorful boxes like that,
Mm-hmm.
49.
49.
39, 49.
Do you have a fixed prices?
Yes.
Okay.
You can ask in the Krakow,
Mhm.
They have colorful boxes more than 50.
Okay.
55, 56. So,
No, I'm just asking.
my price is fixed.
Fixed. Okay. Okay, perfect. Actually, I want to buy one box. This colorful. Do you accept card?
Yes.
Perfect.
Which song?
I saw this which was like, I said path to heaven or something like this. Stairs to heaven? Yeah, something like this. Okay. Perfect. This one. Okay, let's open. Oh, with different colors. Oh. Okay, good. Which one is the good color? I don't know. Maybe this one with orange. It's working fine, right?
I think,
Is some problem?
yes, have a...
You can, okay, maybe the other one.
No, all of them. Maybe I'm turning it on too slowly. What do you think?
I don't know. I'm not expert with these boxes.
This one.
Is better? Okay.
I shouldn't.
Okay.
I should give you this one and
Okay,
say
perfect.
bye-bye. Okay.
No, thank you so much. Okay, I'll choose this.
This one is a little bit...
Okay. Stairs to heaven.
And this one is louder.
Okay.
Sometimes that one, which is...
Okay, cool. Done? Okay. Thank you so much. No, that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, here we got this music box. Alright, I actually was walking by this street like half an hour ago, and I saw these music boxes. I really like it, so I came back to this place again to buy this one. So now we have a music box. Alright, I actually came back to hotel room now, and I got this music box. Let me show you how it works. So this is music is called Stairways to the Heaven. It's a very calm music. Let me open it from here. So this is how it looks like from inside. Here's the name of the Krakow, and I need to rotate this one. This is why I love this small box, because its music is so relaxing and peaceful. I think I'll put it on my desk in my bedroom, and we'll be listening to this music before going to sleep, or maybe I don't know, but it's so cool. I like it. This is one souvenir for me from the Krakow city. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like it. See you next time. Goodbye.